Today is a very important day for the Goa board exams that commence from today. And we have our school as one of the centers, that is Holy Spirit Institute, Margao. We have 200 students who are answering at the center, and we have placed 25 students in the block. So that covers our 200 students, and there are 8 blocks altogether. We have made arrangements also for some children who may fall sick. So we have arranged it with the hospital, with the district of the hospital, so that the children also, if they have any emergency, can be contacted. Secondly, we also have a security, a police constable who is there manning the examination. All arrangements are made. Everything is well organized, and I wish my students all the very best. And also the students who are answering from the other schools in my center, all the very best.
When the exams will get over?
The exams will start, that is today, on the 1st of April, and they will go up to the 23rd of April 2024.